In this episode of Enrich Luxe Retreats Langkawi, we take the guest deep into the rainforest and we talk to Dev, the resort's nature center manager, to find out why this rainforest is so special and so important.
That's nearly twice the amount of butterflies you have in the whole of Australia. That's the biodiversity. It's one of the reasons why Langkawi has to be managed extremely well. Extremely well. Right, let's go.
The Datta is famously located within the verdant fronds of an ancient rainforest. There we explored and marveled at the sanctity of nature and breathed in pristine jungle air.
This island, it's just magnetic. But this place is just breathtaking. The beaches are breathtaking. The jungle, oh my God. The birds, the insects, bird life is just amazing. Just walking around with a pair of binoculars. Everything, so much to see, it's just unexpected. You might get hornbills flying by. These trees produce such a high amount of oxygen for you to breathe proper air. There's no taint of any smoke. Everything is just so blissful.